Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn how to assign account manager to customer account in Magento 2. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and hit to like this video. So let's get started. So you can see that here we have new account manager, right? So I'm going to add the name. Suppose I'm going to add my account manager Rajnikant and email should be like this one. Okay. I'm going to save this account manager, right? I'm going to add a new manager account again. So test manager, and we have an email, anything we can add, test at the rate gmail.com. Okay, save this account manager. We have two account manager, right? When I go to the customers, all customers, and I want to assign one of the customer to this that account manager. Okay, so I have go with the account information, then we have account manager. I'm going to select Rajnikant. Okay, so save this customer. Okay, so we have this one, or you have super admin. So this credentials I have, I guess, so I'm going to assign this one. Okay, so account information, and we're going to assign with this test manager, right? Okay, let's see it is assigned or not. Yeah, it is assigned. Let's logged in with this one. Okay, let me log in. It's logged in now. Now I'm going to add with customers account. Okay, let's go and check this one. So here we have this one account information, this. So we have account manager. Okay, your account manager is this one. Okay, so you can contact with this person, which because the name and the email is that. So the account is managed by this person, so he can call him that where is my order and everything, so he can see that that way of it, right? So I think this is the best way that we if the account is managed by someone, so that you can directly call him that where is my order, whether the order is delivered or something, and in the account you are going to show everything, right? So you can get the details by doing such kind of things, right? So any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. If you want if you want the full video of that, let me know, comment in the section. Okay, have a great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.